Well, not having a car and a place to call home, it can take a toll on your mental health. And in tonight's medical moment, we're learning how one local family is coping after Hurricane Francine.
Look at that.
Joshua Duplantis walking through what was once his home.
When I say a total wreck, it's a total wreck.
His family, including his 4-year-old daughter, devastated following Hurricane Francine.
We just really don't know what our next step's going to be. Both of our vehicles, this half of the house.
The family riding out the storm in their Livingston trailer. Soon after Francine left the area, this tree uprooted from the ground, falling on this family's mobile home here in the French settlement.
We heard a loud crash from the first tree that fell over here. And then from that point, we made a decision to move everybody to the middle of the house. And not very much long after I said that is when this tree fell.
The tree destroying their 4-year-old's bedroom.
So if she would have been in this room at this particular time, she would no longer be here.
Grateful, he says, they made the decision to move, but his little girl Hannah still suffering from post-storm trauma.
She tells everybody that she sees, I lost my house, a tree fell on my house, and that's traumatizing for a 4-year-old.
Dr. Katie Fetzer, licensed professional counselor at the Wellness Studio, says natural disasters take a toll on your mental health. In fact, she helped many local families after the 2016 flood.
For children, it's really important that we allow them a safe space to process how they're feeling through play. But maybe they want to throw on a fireman suit and act out what they experienced.
For 4-year-old Hannah, receiving new clothes through local churches has been helpful.
I mean, there's not much we can do besides comfort her and tell her, you're safe now, you're okay.
But although she's okay, Joshua says they still need help.
I have no way of getting back and forth to work, and I need to support my family.
And the family can apply for FEMA assistance because Livingston Parish was not approved due to the lack of damage there. However, you can still make a donation through the family's GoFundMe page. That link on our website, beourproud.com.